Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to edit a campaign in Mailchimp. Whether you want to update your email design, fix a small mistake, or completely refresh your campaign, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know in a simple and clear way. I'll be showing you how to navigate the dashboard, access your campaigns, and make the right changes without any confusion. Mailchimp has a lot of powerful features, but sometimes it can feel a bit overwhelming if you're not familiar with where everything is. So in this video, I'll break things down step by step so you can follow along easily even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel much more confident editing your campaigns and making them look exactly the way you want. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in and get started. First thing we want to do is open our Mailchimp dashboard. Then go to the left side of the screen and click the option that says Campaigns. Now, once you're inside the Campaign section, take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout. You'll notice all your previous campaigns listed here along with their performance details. This is basically where you manage, edit, and track everything related to your email campaigns. As you can see, a refined panel gracefully slides into view on the right, giving us a clearer and more focused workspace. Our attention now shifts to this section, where everything feels more structured and easy to navigate. We'll move into this area and select the campaign we want to work with, then simply click on Edit to begin. Take a moment to appreciate how clean and organized the interface looks here. Everything is laid out in a way that makes the experience feel smooth and intuitive. It really helps you stay focused without feeling overwhelmed by too many options. This kind of design makes working on your campaigns feel a lot more efficient and enjoyable. As you can see, if we want, we can add a title by clicking the Untitled button and clearing it and adding a new one. We can also import our contacts or add a sender's name and also an email address. And after finishing, always remember to click the Save button. We can also schedule the time or send it now. If we want to schedule, we will check the one that says Schedule, then we will add the delivery date. After finishing, we will click Save. We can also add subject line and preview text, then click Save after finishing. We can also customize the overall look and feel of our campaign by selecting the Edit Design option. Once you click on it, a new workspace opens up, giving you full creative control over your email. This is where all the real editing happens, from adjusting layouts to refining every visual detail. Think of it as your creative studio, where you can transform your email into something eye-catching and visually engaging. After finishing up, we will click Save and Exit. Then it will take us to the first screen. And if you want to save the trouble, I recommend you to send a test email so that you can see what you're sending to your audiences. And if you agree with your customization and there is nothing you want to add, go and click the Send button. All right, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. By now, you should have a clear understanding of how to edit your campaign in Mailchimp and make the adjustments you need with confidence. Remember, the more you explore and experiment with these features, the better your campaigns will become over time. Don't be afraid to try different styles, layouts, and ideas to see what works best for your audience. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out my other tutorials where I break down more tools and tips to help you improve your workflow and skills. There's always something new to learn, and I'm here to make it as simple as possible for you. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.